Hey guys, thanks for cruising over to Wake and Fish. We got a lot of really cool content coming out on this show. I want you to be a part of it. It's going to be fun, informative. Check it out. Subscribe. Hit that notifications button up there so that you can be the first to watch it, all right, guys? So I was out on the lake the other day, and a little fishy told me you needed to learn how to tie some knots. Let's get it. I think I caught that fish the other day. Mouth full of hooks. No line. All right, guys, the Palomar knot, one of my favorite knots, soon to be one of yours. Here we go. Let's get quick at this. Follow my steps, okay? Do this exactly. It's all about dexterity. Here we go. Holding the hook like this. Slide this through the eye. Pull out pinching the hook with your right hand, pull about 10, 12 inches out. Go ahead and feed that right back from whence you came, pinching those two lines with your right hand, sliding that hook down to the middle, okay? Now from here, you got control of this loop with your left middle finger, okay? Reach across, keeping that in there. Pinch with your left index finger and your thumb, leaving like that much tag end, okay? Now from here, you did that because you want to move your right hand from the top to the bottom and pinch here, okay? So now you want this tag end kind of coming out like that. You don't want it back here. This is what's going to make it easy for you to hand off, okay? So you got this loop and you got this. What you're going to do is put your middle finger on top, slide the hook into your hand, okay? Middle finger on top, slide the hook. Hand off that loop, guys, okay? Over the top of all that, see? So middle finger on top, hook slide, loop over the top of those two lines. Control these two lines with your middle finger and your index finger, okay? To pinch them together like that. See how I'm just grabbing those lines out of my way so that I can pinch this intersection with my left index finger and thumb, okay? See how I just grabbed it right there? That's going to enable me to grab this loop up here, push it away from me, and then kind of rotate my thumb under and pinch here. Okay, this is the move. Push away, thumb under, pinch here. Now, when you let go with your right hand, watch what happens. It wants to just go through there. Then you get it. That's the loop, okay? So now you got your overhand knot. You've got yourself this overhand knot and the loop. Grab this loop with the finger, pull it a little to open it up, grab the hook through. At this point, you've got your loop, right? Control that loop, okay, guys? Use your left middle finger or something to pull it up as you're tightening the loop. Pull it up above the knot and kind of hold it up there. See how it wants to fall down? This loop needs to be above everything. That's what it wants to look like, okay? You see that? Now we're gonna get it wet with some saliva. I always just spit on it, you know the deal, okay? And from here, we can totally just tighten it. We don't need nothing else. Just get to it. See how that loop is on top? This is the final stage in which you tighten this thing, and you want that loop on top just like that. And you're just pulling it down. That is golden. That's a good Palomar knot right there. That is not going anywhere. That's gonna piss off a tuna because it ain't breaking it. Got it? Okay, snip that tag end wherever you want. I just go there. Especially if you're tuna fishing, you don't really need to have a lot of, it doesn't matter. So see how much I got left there? It doesn't matter. That's the Palomar knot, guys. Learn it, practice those steps. The dexterity is the most important part. Get after it.